In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Todoist with Gmail. Connecting these two tools makes it much easier to turn emails into actionable tasks, so you don't lose important messages in a crowded inbox. I'll walk you through the process step by step directly inside Todoist, and by the end, Gmail will be fully linked to your account. Start by opening Todoist in your browser and making sure you're signed in. On the main screen, look toward the top left corner where you can see your profile area. This usually shows your avatar or initials. Click on that profile section. This will open a small menu where you can adjust account options and app settings. From that profile menu, choose the Settings option. Clicking Settings will open a new panel or window with several tabs along the top or side, depending on your layout. These tabs control different aspects of your account, like your profile, preferences, and more. What we're interested in now is the area where Todoist lets you connect to other apps. In the Settings view, look for the tab labeled Integrations and click it. This is where Todoist lists all the services it can connect with, including email tools, calendars, and productivity apps. Integrations are what allow Todoist to work smoothly with Gmail, so you can create tasks from your emails with just a click. Inside the Integration section, you'll see at least two views. One for installed integrations you already have, and another where you can discover new ones. Find and click on the Browse option. This switches you to a gallery of available apps you can connect to Todoist. Give it a moment to load if needed. Next, scroll through the list or use the search function until you find Gmail. When you see the Gmail option, click on it. This will open a detailed page for the Gmail integration, where Todoist explains what the integration does and what kind of access it needs. Take a quick moment to review this information so you understand how your email and tasks will work together. On the Gmail integration page, look for the Add button and click it. Todoist will then guide you through granting permission for Gmail to connect. Follow any on-screen prompts, such as choosing the correct Google account and confirming access. Once that's done, your integration is active and you can start turning important emails into Todoist tasks directly from Gmail.